Which of the following mechanisms helps maintain the resting membrane potential in neurons? NEET 2023. A. Sodium-potassium pump. B. Calcium channels. C. Ligand-gated ion channels. D. Gap junctions. The correct answer is A. The sodium-potassium pump actively transports 3 Na-Jod ions out of the cell and 2 K-Jod ions into the cell, maintaining the resting membrane potential. Which stage of embryonic development is characterized by the formation of the 3 germ layers? NEET 2023. A. Zygote. B. Blastula. C. Gastrula. D. Morula. The correct answer is C. During gastrulation, the 3 primary germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm, are formed, laying the foundation for organ development. Which of the following is true about the function of the human sinoatrial (SA) node? NEET 2023. A. It regulates blood pressure. B. It functions as the pacemaker of the heart. C. It controls voluntary muscle contractions. D. It transports oxygenated blood. The correct answer is B. The sinoatrial (SA) node, located in the right atrium, generates electrical impulses that set the pace of the heartbeat, functioning as the natural pacemaker. Which of the following molecules is an electron carrier in both photosynthesis and cellular respiration? NEET 2023. A. FAD. B. ATP. C. NADP-Jod. D. NAD-Jod. The correct answer is D. NAD-Jod acts as an electron carrier in cellular respiration, while its reduced form, NADPH, plays a similar role in photosynthesis. Which enzyme is essential for the elongation of the new DNA strand during DNA replication? NEET 2023. A. DNA polymerase. B. Helicase. C. Ligase. D. Primase. The correct answer is A. DNA polymerase synthesizes the new strand by adding nucleotides to the growing DNA chain during replication, using the template strand for guidance. Which of the following is not a feature of facilitated diffusion in cells? NEET 2023. A. It requires a concentration gradient. B. It uses carrier proteins. C. It requires energy. D. It is specific to certain molecules. The correct answer is C. Facilitated diffusion is a passive transport process that does not require energy but relies on carrier or channel proteins to transport specific molecules across membranes. Which type of ecological interaction involves one species benefiting while the other is neither harmed nor helped? NEET 2023. A. Mutualism. B. Commensalism. C. Parasitism. D. Competition. The correct answer is B. In commensalism, one species benefits, while the other is unaffected. An example is barnacles attaching to whales for transport without harming them. Which of the following structures in the human brain is primarily responsible for regulating body temperature? NEET 2023. A. Thalamus. B. Hypothalamus. C. Cerebellum. D. Medulla oblongata. The correct answer is B. The hypothalamus regulates homeostatic functions, including body temperature, hunger, and thirst, through the autonomic nervous system. Which of the following statements is true about operons in prokaryotic gene regulation? NEET 2023. A. They consist of a single gene. B. They are found in eukaryotes. C. They are transcribed as a single mRNA. D. They do not have regulatory regions. The correct answer is C. Operons in prokaryotes are clusters of genes transcribed together as a single mRNA, allowing coordinated expression of related genes. Which of the following is responsible for the red coloration in human blood? NEET 2023. A. Myoglobin. B. Hemoglobin. C. Fibrinogen. D. Plasma. The correct answer is B. Hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying protein in red blood cells, gives blood its red color due to its iron-containing heme groups that bind oxygen. Which of the following plants demonstrates the pathway of photosynthesis? NEET 2023. A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Maize. D. Potato. The correct answer is C. Maize, corn, is a plant that uses PEP carboxylase for initial carbon fixation, increasing efficiency in hot, arid environments. In which phase of mitosis do sister chromatids separate and move toward opposite poles? NEET 2023. A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. The correct answer is C. During anaphase, sister chromatids are pulled apart by spindle fibers and move to opposite poles of the cell, ensuring equal chromosome distribution. Which of the following is the main site of water reabsorption in the human kidney? NEET 2023. A. Proximal convoluted tubule. B. Distal convoluted tubule. C. Bowman's capsule. D. Loop of Henle. The correct answer is A. The proximal convoluted tubule is the primary site of water and solute reabsorption in the nephron, returning essential substances to the bloodstream. Which of the following processes occurs in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration? NEET 2023. A. Krebs cycle. B. Glycolysis. C. Electron transport chain. D. Oxidative phosphorylation. The correct answer is B. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm and does not require oxygen, making it a common process in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Which of the following organs is involved in both digestion and absorption of nutrients? NEET 2023. A. Stomach. B. Liver. C. Small intestine. D. Large intestine. The correct answer is C. The small intestine is the primary site for both digestion of food and absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. Which structure in flowering plants is responsible for producing pollen? NEET 2023. A. Ovary. B. Stigma. C. Anther. D. Sepal. The correct answer is C. The anther, located at the tip of the stamen, produces pollen grains, which contain the male gametes necessary for fertilization. Which type of immunity is achieved by vaccination? NEET 2023. A. Innate immunity. B. Passive immunity. C. Active immunity. D. Natural immunity. The correct answer is C. Vaccination induces active immunity by stimulating the body's immune system to produce a memory response against the pathogen. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of epithelial tissue? NEET 2023. A. Cells are loosely packed. B. Cells have a free surface. C. Cells are multinucleated. D. Cells lack a basement membrane. The correct answer is B. Epithelial tissues have a free surface that is exposed to the external environment or an internal body cavity, and they are tightly packed together. Which hormone is primarily responsible for regulating blood glucose levels? NEET 2023. A. Thyroxine. B. Insulin. C. Cortisol. D. Adrenaline. The correct answer is B. Insulin, produced by the pancreas, lowers blood glucose levels by promoting the uptake of glucose into cells and stimulating glycogen synthesis. Which of the following processes describes the conversion of nitrogen gas into ammonia in the nitrogen cycle? NEET 2023. A. Nitrification. B. Denitrification. C. Nitrogen fixation. D. Ammonification. The correct answer is C. Nitrogen fixation is the process by which nitrogen gas from the atmosphere is converted into ammonia by nitrogen-fixing bacteria, making nitrogen available for plants. Which of the following organelles is responsible for producing ATP in eukaryotic cells? NEET 2023. A. Golgi apparatus. B. Mitochondria. C. Endoplasmic reticulum. D. Lysosomes. The correct answer is B. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell, where oxidative phosphorylation takes place to produce ATP, the energy currency of the cell. Which of the following processes is responsible for the conversion of pyruvate to acetyl-CoA in cellular respiration? NEET 2023. A. Glycolysis. B. Oxidative decarboxylation. C. Electron transport chain. D. Fermentation. The correct answer is B. Oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate produces acetyl-CoA in the presence of pyruvate dehydrogenase and coenzymes, linking glycolysis to the Krebs cycle. During transcription in eukaryotes, which enzyme plays a primary role in synthesizing mRNA? NEET 2023. A. DNA polymerase. B. RNA polymerase I. C. RNA polymerase II. D. Topoisomerase. The correct answer is C. RNA polymerase II is responsible for transcribing pre-mRNA, which is later processed to form mature mRNA in eukaryotes. Which phase of meiosis is characterized by the formation of chiasmata between homologous chromosomes? NEET 2023. A. Prophase I. B. Metaphase I. C. Anaphase I. D. Telophase I. The correct answer is A. Chiasmata form during prophase I of meiosis during homologous recombination, allowing crossing over of genetic material between homologous chromosomes. In the lac operon model, what happens when lactose is present in the environment? NEET 2023. A. The repressor binds to the operator. B. RNA polymerase is inhibited. C. Lactose binds to the repressor, inactivating it. D. Lactose directly binds to RNA polymerase. The correct answer is C. Lactose acts as an inducer by binding to the lac repressor, inactivating it, and allowing RNA polymerase to transcribe the genes involved in lactose metabolism. Which of the following is true about the structure of tRNA during protein synthesis? NEET 2023. A. It contains the codon that matches with mRNA. B. It has a 5:3 polarity. C. It contains an anticodon complementary to mRNA codons. D. It forms part of the large ribosomal subunit. The correct answer is C. tRNA contains an anticodon that is complementary to the mRNA codon, allowing it to bring the correct amino acid to the ribosome during translation. Which hormone is directly responsible for stimulating the maturation of ovarian follicles? NEET 2023. A. Luteinizing hormone, LH. B. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. C. Progesterone. D. Oxytocin. The correct answer is B. FSH stimulates the growth and maturation of ovarian follicles in the female reproductive system, while LH triggers ovulation. Which of the following is the most significant difference between plants? NEET 2023. A. Plants perform photosynthesis at night. B. Plants use the Calvin cycle exclusively for carbon fixation. C. Plants have Cran's anatomy and use PEP carboxylase for initial fixation. D. Plants do not undergo photorespiration. The correct answer is C. Plants utilize PEP carboxylase to fix into a 4-carbon compound, and their leaves exhibit Cran's anatomy, optimizing photosynthesis under high light and temperature conditions. Which of the following structures is found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? NEET 2023. A. Nucleus. B. Ribosomes. C. Mitochondria. D. Golgi apparatus. The correct answer is B. Ribosomes are present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells and are responsible for protein synthesis. Prokaryotes lack membrane-bound organelles such as the nucleus, mitochondria, and Golgi apparatus. Which of the following biomolecules plays a crucial role in the formation of the lipid bilayer in cell membranes? NEET 2023. A. Proteins. B. Nucleic acids. C. Phospholipids. D. Carbohydrates. The correct answer is C. Phospholipids are the primary components of the lipid bilayer in cell membranes, forming a hydrophobic core that separates the intracellular and extracellular environments. Which enzyme is responsible for breaking the hydrogen bonds between DNA strands during DNA replication? NEET 2023. A. Helicase. B. Primase. C. Ligase. D. Topoisomerase. The correct answer is A. Helicase unwinds the DNA double helix by breaking the hydrogen bonds between complementary nucleotide bases, allowing replication to proceed. In photosynthesis, what is the primary function of the light-dependent reactions? NEET 2023. A. To produce glucose. B. To generate ATP and NADPH. C. To fix carbon dioxide. D. To release oxygen as a byproduct. The correct answer is B. The light-dependent reactions capture light energy to produce ATP and NADPH, which are then used in the Calvin cycle to fix and produce glucose. Which of the following cell types is involved in the immune system's production of antibodies? NEET 2023. A. Macrophages. B. T lymphocytes. C. B lymphocytes. D. Eosinophils. The correct answer is C. B lymphocytes are responsible for producing antibodies in the immune system. Upon activation, they differentiate into plasma cells that secrete specific antibodies. Which of the following is not an example of a post-transcriptional modification in eukaryotes? NEET 2023. A. 5. Capping. B. Polyadenylation. C. Splicing. D. DNA methylation. The correct answer is D. DNA methylation is a form of epigenetic modification, not a post-transcriptional modification. Post-transcriptional modifications include processes like 5. Capping, polyadenylation, and splicing of mRNA. Which type of muscle tissue is characterized by striations and involuntary control? NEET 2023. A. Skeletal muscle. B. Cardiac muscle. C. Smooth muscle. D. Tendon. The correct answer is B. Cardiac muscle tissue is striated like skeletal muscle but is involuntarily controlled, allowing it to function in the heart's automatic beating. Which of the following types of RNA carries amino acids to the ribosome during translation? NEET 2023. A. mRNA. B. tRNA. C. rRNA. D. snRNA. The correct answer is B. tRNA, transfer RNA, carries specific amino acids to the ribosome during translation by recognizing mRNA codons via its anticodon sequence. Which phase of the cell cycle is characterized by DNA replication? NEET 2023. A. G1 phase. B. S phase. C. G2 phase. D. M phase. The correct answer is B. The S, synthesis, phase of the cell cycle is when DNA replication occurs, ensuring that each daughter cell receives a complete set of chromosomes during cell division. Which of the following plant hormones promotes stem elongation and is responsible for the plant's response to light? NEET 2023. A. Auxin. B. Cytokinin. C. Gibberellin. D. Ethylene. The correct answer is A. Auxins are plant hormones that promote stem elongation and play a key role in phototropism, allowing plants to bend towards light. Which of the following structures is part of the human kidney's nephron? NEET 2023. A. Bowman's capsule. B. Alveolus. C. Haversian canal. D. Sinoatrial node. The correct answer is A. The nephron is the functional unit of the kidney, and Bowman's capsule is involved in the filtration of blood to form urine. In plants, what is the main purpose of the Casparian strip found in the endodermis? NEET 2023. A. To regulate water flow between cells. B. To assist in photosynthesis. C. To store nutrients. D. To transport sugars. The correct answer is A. The Casparian strip is a waterproof barrier that regulates the movement of water and minerals between the root cortex and vascular tissue, ensuring selective nutrient uptake. Which genetic disorder is characterized by the absence of a functional enzyme that breaks down phenylalanine? NEET 2023. A. Tay-Sachs disease. B. Cystic fibrosis. C. Phenylketonuria, PKU. D. Sickle cell anemia. The correct answer is C. Phenylketonuria, PKU, is a metabolic disorder caused by a deficiency of the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, leading to the accumulation of phenylalanine, which can cause brain damage if untreated. Which of the following molecules is produced during the Calvin cycle in photosynthesis? NEET 2023. A. ATP. B. NADPH. C. Glucose. D. Oxygen. The correct answer is C. The Calvin cycle uses ATP and NADPH generated from light-dependent reactions to fix carbon dioxide, ultimately producing glucose.